What's going on, guys? I'm headed over to Placerville, California. There's a car show over there, so basically heading over there. My buddy Matt, he's got that bagged white S550. I kind of showed it off whenever I was at Car Mecca. It was really cleanly done, and he's gonna be up there. There's also a couple other people I know up there, so I'm gonna go catch up to him. I'm a little late, so I've got about a 45-minute drive. Basically, I'm about to get on the freeway and just drive 45 minutes straight up there. It's at a casino. It's for pancreatic cancer, so it's a good cause, and I'm gonna go out there and hang out with everybody and hope to see maybe a couple of you guys out there. And that's how you get up to speed on the freeway. But since I have that cruise, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my sound system, turn on the radio, and go on up the hill. We just made it to the show. I parked over by Matt, so I just made it. I was talking to Roscoe right there. There's lots of noise going on, but I'm just gonna do a quick walk around and show you guys some of the cars here. You guys liked how I did it at Car Mecca, where I kind of just showed off some of my favorite builds, but actually I haven't even walked around yet. I literally just said what's up to my friends. So I'm gonna walk around, find some of my favorite builds, and I'll show you guys those cars.
This is my favorite build right here. He's about 5'4", 300 pounds, pure muscle.
All muscle, baby. I didn't come in time, so I didn't get to get judged, but oh well. I didn't come here to get judged. I just came here to hang out with everybody.
Definitely the Whipple Camaro has to be one that I love too much. It's a Camaro. I'm a Mustang guy, but you gotta respect that. That's just such a clean build.
So I just finished walking around, and I'm gonna show you guys like 5-ish cars of the show that are basically like done really well, where I have lots of mods. And the first one's gonna be this one right here.
This thing's pretty freaking crazy. It's got a screen, like Matt, he was just saying, what if you were just driving behind him and all of a sudden you just get a TV show on? That'd be pretty hilarious, but I have to respect all of the work that's into it. This is paint, not wrap, and check out the interior.
So I wouldn't say I'm an XB fan, but you have to respect how much work has gone into that thing, because there's no way I could build something like that. So if he built that himself, props to you, dude. Another one, this car has been done millions of times, but
a freaking Tecate BRZ or FRS, that's pretty insane. And it's got a little Supreme sticker right there. I love the Tecate livery. I haven't seen one like that before. And man, this thing's pretty clean. I don't think he's bagged. I think he's actually static, which is pretty insane for having a lip that long, because I've already scraped just coming out of like driveways and stuff. Check this out. He's even got Tecate in a fountain.
I've never seen something like that in a car show where they have like a display out front of it. I mean, I've seen like the hood props and stuff like that, but that one's pretty insane. I've never seen a fountain, and I don't know how that freaking works.
All right, so definitely have to show off the liquid cooled Kinney Bell. Hope to one day have one of those on my car, just because I think it's the best supercharger made for 5.0s, but this one's also got the bare big brakes.
I've actually seen this car before at different shows like Sac Speed Shop, and I talked to the owner a little bit, but it's pretty freaking clean. He's got everything done, not like a dollar even like cut, not a corner cut or anything like that. It's even got the carbon I want.
Carbon tray here, everything's polished, keeps it clean. This thing is just done super, super well. So another build, of course, because it has a Whipple. You can't beat a nice Whipple. I mean, maybe a Kinney Bell can beat it, maybe a hint there, but yeah, this Cobra is just super clean. As you guys can see, he's got the engine all done, matching powder coat, even matching centers on his 3-piece wheels. Looks like he's got R888, so you know traction's not really an issue. And then he also has the full interior done, which is something I kind of aim to do at some point, which would be to get a harness bar and seats, or maybe a full cage. But yeah, I'm definitely trying to work on my interior. Bringing around back, he even has the same kind of like faux wall that I have. He's just got a centerpiece, and it's all wrapped right here. So I guess that kind of protects from scratches. And he also has the Cobra in the bumper, which is iconic for the Terminators. Even that right there. The Terminators have aged really, really well, and they're actually going up in value. So this one, I mean, I'm sure he probably bought it for a good price, and now it's just worth like almost probably double what he's put into it. So right here, this is actually the first bag GT350R. This guy actually used to own an S197, which was really clean, but now he's bagged his GT350R, which is kind of known as like a, oh yep, even has the ruined R right there. So this is kind of known as like a track monster. So a lot of people like, this kind of blew up on the internet because not too many people like how it's bagged, because it's a track monster and people don't associate bags with tracking, but I think he's trying to change that and basically show off that even an R, which is a track monster, can drive and have bags. That thing is absolutely freaking slammed.
Jesus, that thing is freaking huge. I don't even know how much horsepower that makes, but it has to be over like freaking 1200 horsepower. So it looks like everyone's pretty much leaving out or waiting for judging. So I'm actually gonna be doing a video review on Matt's car right here. So you guys definitely wanna watch for the next video because I'll be doing a full tour of his bagged S550 and driving it around. But this video was kind of short and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. So if you guys enjoyed, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.